My DNA is definitely in there, and we need to get it out, really. This is very important. Oh! Alina, look, it's some kind of a bar that says top secret on it. What's that?
Look, it looks like gum. It's a flash drive!
It's a USB flash drive. Probably it contains secrets of this voodoo doll.
We must get the laptop.
It's always with me. I'm a businessman, so my MacBook is always with me. But it really came in handy now, because we're about to find out.
Wait. What if my secrets are on it? I don't want anyone to know my secrets, no.
Even better. If your secrets are there, I want to know them all, by all means.
Look, it's dangerous.
It's not dangerous, it's interesting. Can you imagine what secrets this voodoo doll might hold? Just think of it. There, this folder says classified.
But I didn't make folders like that. I usually call them don't look.
There's one video here. Okay, let's play. I really hope this video doesn't make it to the internet, but in case I'll be missing, I hope it gets to the internet because I'm really missing. I want everyone to see this. If I disappear, I want everyone to know what kind of person I really was. I'm about to tell all my secrets that I've been hiding from all my subscribers and all my other friends. If I really disappear, and this actually may happen, then please call me using my phone number. I'll pick up the phone and tell you how to find me, okay? My phone number is, listen closely.